isang bulaklak, pinitas. Ayop yan.
Binabalik nga. Ayan na, babalik ko na. Wait.
Pinitas.
Ang bagal.
Kainin ha. So, ano lasa? Taste test.
Walang amoy. So, arrive now here at our accommodation here in Cabalan, Olongapo City. That's the mountain there. And this is the place. It's like a bungalow type house. They have a parking here. You see, and then when you enter, there's a little veranda here. Oh, look. Ang ganda, di ba? Oh, there's an aircon there. So, ayan, there's a parking here. And then, let's enter the house. So, may screen door. So, ayan, no, pagpasok mo, makukulit doon. Ayan, no. Ito daw, sofa bed. This is a sofa bed. So, may TV, may Wi-Fi. First bedroom is for the kids, oh, bunk bed. And here is the... Ang ganda. Oh, may aircon. Di pa lang niya binuksan. There's an aircon also. The living room there. Ang ganda ng dining niya, oh. Tapos, merong toilet and shower. You see, here in the Philippines, it's normal that you can see a bucket and the tabo. This is a tabo because you're gonna get the water here and splash to your body. Although they have a bidet now, a bidet and a shower, but we still have the traditional way. Yan. So, mayroon tayong mayroon toilet paper because the owner is German and he knows. So, here in the kitchen, there's a fridge. What's inside the fridge? Open it. Nothing! Nothing yet. Oh. Tapos, meron siyang mga gamit. There's a blender, rice cooker. Oh, meron pang if you want to make sandwich here. Oh, and then, meron siyang hub. Ayan, may cutlery. Oh, meron siyang thermos. Naka-filter yung water, so I think you can drink the water, but I don't trust it. I'm gonna buy the bottled water there. So that's the cabinet with plates. Oh, look. You can have, ano pa rito, the cookbook here. So nice. I want to take a look on that. So here, under the table, this is the pots and here, for cleaning, may basura. Oh, this is very nice, huh? Oh, let's take a look. There's a door in here. Ah, you see? Oh, they have a dirty kitchen. Because here in the Philippines, normally, they are designed with a... Oh, there's a microwave here. Dirty kitchen. So, the smells will not go inside the house. So, there's a way going out there. But it's locked. Yan. Ang ganda. Very nice. So, how much I pay for this? For 2 nights, I pay 5,000 something. I'm gonna write it down there. We just arrived. And then nakaharap sa akin, don't worry. Harap kita, gusto.
May bayan. Wow, ay tita.
Alam mo, may kasalanan ako.
Bakit?
Kaso na-realize ko na.
Long time no see.
Very hot, no?
It's because it's summer. Sorry.
Hindi, okay lang. And we look over sa dog. Natakot siya. Go away daw.
Ako ka dog?
Paddy,
come on, come here. I-relax natin siya. Oh, kasi excited
he
siya.
likes people. Okay. Calm down, calm down.
Move. Come here, Henry. Sabi mo steady lang kasi.
Henry,
Birthday cake.
yeah, birthday cake.
You want cookies?
Halika, ito dessert.
Henry,
Dessert natin. Galing.
Henry, you want cookies?
A few moments later.
Ano sabi mo? Ano sabi mo, Nina?
alam mo may kasalanan ako.
Remember when before we got up in Antipolo, you asked her, "Did you forget anything?"
Yeah,
and
yeah.
she was mad.
Yeah. You got her stuff with you?
Anong gulo? What?
Have you got Daphne's stuff?
Of course.
What?
Of course.
There's loads of it, Daphne, just to make you feel even worse. Packets. The packets. Right, it's about €1, I think.
There's
I
also
think that was one handful. It's like 2 handfuls of.
30 pieces
like
of
the Bible.
€1 each, and then the big one, the good stuff.
Henry.
Yeah, but just to make it even worse, the good stuff. Yeah.
Naalala ko lang kagabi lang, hindi ko pa naalala.
And I realised that you were going to get a food parcel as well. I would have reminded her because I was more concerned that she was going to forget the stuff that we went to wherever it was to get that for you.
Ano paper ba?
Hindi pa kasi nabawi pa parang binili mo na rin diretso. Oy, kain na kayo.